So Vine is back, sort of. There's a new app called Divine that just launched, bringing back the 6-second loops that defined an era of internet culture. 500,000 classic Vines restored, and the twist, it's funded by Jack Dorsey, the man who killed Vine in the first place. Two people made this happen. Jack Dorsey, who shut down Vine in 2017, has now funded the revival, calling it correcting his mistake. And the man who actually built it is Robbie, Twitter's literal first employee back in 2016. He hired Dorsey himself 20 years ago. Right, so what do you actually get? The classic archive, 500,000 Vines from 100,000 creators. You can record new 6-second clips, compilation mode, tap a hashtag and it autoplays themed Vines, and you pick your own algorithm, not just one ad-driven feed. Here's the bit that makes Divine genuinely different. Their tagline is trade doom scrolling for joy scrolling. 4 principles: no AI generated content, full stop. You own your account and content. You pick the algorithm, and it's a non-profit, no shareholders demanding watch time. 6 seconds, then it loops. But before you download, here's the honest part. Vine was never that big, 200 million users at peak. TikTok has over 1 billion. Vine never made a single dollar in profit. To catch us with Divine too, it's invite only for now, and Elon also promised this. Dorsey shipped first. So that's where we're at. Divine probably won't take over the world, but good on them for trying. Free on the App Store and Google Play. The Rescue archive alone makes it a worth download. Tell me below, what's the one Vine you'll never forget?